Not every weakness needs a drug. Routine antibiotics hide poor management. Welcome to day 8 of my 30 days of farm discipline this Ramadan. Overuse isn't just overdosing. Using antibiotics without assessment for viral infections or to cover poor hygiene weakens your system. Repeating treatment without lab checks equal to resistance. Drugs are tools, not strategies. If your farm depends on constant medication, your system is weak. This Ramadan, we strengthen system, not prescription. I am Abdulaziz O. Alibiosu. Follow for day 9. Thank you.